Students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book, chapter first, food and human health. And today's topic is toxic substance. Once again, today's topic is toxic substance of chapter food and human health. Students, we studied in previous online classes some specific toxic substance like alcohol, gutka, and tobacco. Today, I start another toxic substance, opium. First, it is toxic substance. Next, it is obtained from the papaver, somniferum, papaver somniferum plants, dried latex. Next, dried latex. Students, it is a fluid or it is a white color fluid secreted by opium capsule. Once again, dried latex secreted by opium capsule. It means capsule is a fruit of opium plant. But students, remember, capsule is immature. It means immature capsule. Once again, dried latex secreted by opium capsule or opium immature capsule. Students, capsule is a fruit of opium. Next, alkaloid of opium. Of opium. Students, in opium plant about 30 plus alkaloids. Once again, opium plant to have 30 plus or 30 types of alkaloid like morphine, codeine. Next is in small amount nicotine. Nicotine, it is a alkaloid of tobacco plant. Next is somniferin. Next is papaverine. There are many types of alkaloid found in opium or have opium. Next, usage of opium. Or usage of alkaloids of opium. First is morphine and codeine. Students, they are alkaloids found in opium, are used to make painkiller medicine. Painkiller medicine. Once again, morphine, codeine, they are alkaloids, but used of morphine and codeine is making painkiller medicine. Next is in rural areas, many mothers in rural areas gives opium to their small children for sleeping. Once again, many mothers in rural areas gives opium to their small children for sleeping. Next, in rural areas, on occasion of happiness, women to take opium. So they are usage of alkaloid of opium. Next is other toxic substance. Next point is other toxic substance. First is LSD. Students, in this chapter we studied a full form of BMI, body mass index. Another full form in this chapter, LSD. First of all, LSD is a toxic substance, but full form of LSD is lysergic acid diethyl amide. Once again, lysergic acid diethyl amides, it is toxic substance. Next is hashish. Third is charas. Next is cocaine. Next is cannabis. And next is heroin. Next is heroin. Students, heroines produced from opium. So heroin, it is a product of opium. Once again, heroin, it is a toxic substance but product of opium. So it is product of opium. So there are many toxic substance: LSD, lysergic acid, diethylamide, hashish, charas, cocaine, cannabis, heroin. And next point is misuse of medicine. Misusage of medicine. Students, in present time, 42% women use alcohol, 20% use opium, 6% use cannabis, and 30% use heroin. Students, proper learn heroin. It is a toxic substance but produce or product of opium. Next is misuse of medicines and toxic substance. Human become infected or causes kidney failure. Next, many type of cancer, mental illness. Next, inflammation in lungs. Next point and last point of this chapter is adulteration in, once again, in food products. Once again, adulteration in food products. According to an estimate, around 30 to 40% products are adulterated. Some adulterated products are following. First is cold drinks. Student, in cold drinks many chemicals mix up like leading, DDT, and malathion. and chlorpyrifos and phosphoric acid mixed in cold drinks. So human nervous system it means many neurons to form a specific system, mostly three types: central nervous system, autonomous and peripheral nervous system. Next, cancer. Next, damages the immune system are affected. Next, phosphoric acid effects on human teeth. Next is medicine. Next is fruit. Next is spices. Next is green vegetable. Next is ghee. Next is oil. Next is pulses. Next is sweets. Approximately or mostly food material are adulterated in present time. So those food material are adulterated. For example, in green vegetables, in cabbage, use silver nitrate. Many spices, many spices like chili, coriander, to use color and different types chemicals. And last is a specific law related to adulteration of food product. Students, in 1954, Indian government to pass prevention of food adulteration act 1954. This is act name prevention of food adulteration act 1954. Next, this act or rule once again, this act or rule regulate 65 food materials or product in adulteration. So students, to proper learn rule or act of adulteration prevention of food adulteration act 1954. So chapter first completed. So thanks. Have a nice day. If any problem, tell me and tell me in comment box. So thanks.